Well, you take your time now because we're not going.
We're not going now? Okay. What the hell just happened? I just spent $2,000 at a random yard sale on a Wednesday. I got a question for you. Do you know,
sure.
What is this?
Oh, that's where they are. Okay, they are matchbox.
Oh yeah.
Covers.
Things.
That's what I figured they were. Huh. Interesting.
Yeah,
they were inside cigarette boxes, weren't they? I think.
Yeah.
They used to be inside cigarette boxes.
Yeah.
Are they all from England or?
Yeah, they are. They were
nice.
my grandfather's.
Was that something you were looking for earlier? Just the way you said it. You said.
Yeah, it was actually.
I was gonna say, okay. So that's not for sale.
No.
Okay.
I just kind of wondered where they'd gone.
No problem. Yeah, they were in the bin over there, so I'm glad I could find them for you.
Thank you.
I do have a question. You guys have some books over there.
Sorry, I'm getting involved with the cigarette cards now.
What you guys wanted for the books? For the bin of books.
Well, do you want to work out which ones you want?
I mean, I was thinking about just making an offer for if you had a price maybe for the whole bin, and go from there. Okay. I mean, I don't know what these even go for, but
some of them are, again.
Yes.
Sales when it's really hot in the summer, or people
so
time of year when it happens?
Yeah, so we still get yard sales in the summer. The biggest thing is April and October, November are probably the best time, because you have the beginning of spring where it's warm out, but not like, because let me tell you, when I go to yard sale in the summertime, I got to bring 2 shirts because it's just super hot. Like this is nice. This is nice out. Were these in there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you said 20 in the box.
Is there anything worth it? Can you make some money on that then?
I think I can. All right, so we got this stuff here.
Oh, you want to know about the books, didn't you?
Yeah. I mean,
we start at $20 for the lot.
For the lot of books? Let me quick go back and look at it. I mean, I think I'll be in it for that. I opened up this Ferrari box to look inside. Everything was like new seal in the bag, and there was a section where the car was in. I didn't open the box, and the car is missing. So I'll still do okay. I could sell all the pieces in there for replacement parts, but rookie mistake. This is nice. There's the rest of the cars here. Yeah, I knew some of these were open.
Again, I think he used to just collect, you know, you'd see it in the back of a shop somewhere. He used to pick up a bit of stuff up.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
think Hobby Town and stuff like that. I remember he had a place, he used to go out the back, they had a ton of stuff, like new old stock and so on.
Alright. That was everything here? Yep, okay.
Yeah, that's a good there.
So I've spoken to Mandy about the cars, then we'll take 2.
2,000?
And then that's a whole lot of hassle out
Okay.
of our...
Do you mind if I just quick look at one more time?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, you take your time now, because we're not going.
We're not going now? Okay.
Oh, right. It's $40 for those.
We said 30 on that originally, I thought. It was 10 and... Oh, no, you're right, 40. It was 40, yeah. No,
so should I do those now and then I can go in and sort it, then you guys can sort out this, or...?
do you want me to pay all at one time, or do you want me to pay for that separate?
Pay for that separate,
Okay.
because that will go somewhere else.
Okay.
And then you can just take those and I'll
There's 20,
tell you
yeah,
paid.
20.
The gentleman's paying for those things now, because then I can go while you sort out the cars.
The stuff inside, I mean, just the stuff right there, I paid.
Yeah. Okay, just that stuff there.
Yeah. So we wouldn't normally do like a yard sale type thing in the UK.
Yeah.
Normally you'd go to a boot
Boot
fair,
camp.
that sort of thing.
Which is strange. I mean, it is, but it's not strange to me because, I mean, a lot of people don't want random people showing up to your house. You know what I mean? So I get that part. But also too is like, but you guys also, the house is a little bit smaller over there too, aren't they?
Oh, much
yeah, much
smaller,
smaller. Yeah. So you're not gonna have a lot more stuff like we have here in the States.
But house prices are crazy in the UK though. Honestly, they're crazy. Mind you, they've gone up here as well.
Yeah, well, and just this house probably gone up dramatically in the last year or two.
Yeah, I mean, compared to what was paid for it back in the day,
Yeah.
where we are now. I mean, we've got the realtor now coming. They valued it and they're going to market it for us. So.
Oh yeah, she got some marks on here. This is by far the coolest piece.
That's what you want that to be.
I'm probably gonna keep that for myself. Like that is, I mean, that brings me back
I was
to.
surprised when I saw it. I didn't.
That brings me back to my childhood.
Yeah.
So.
Anything to do with teenage.
I mean, yeah, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Ghostbusters is what it was real. That was really big for me when I was a kid, you know. So. I wish there was more like pop culture stuff like that, but I don't think there is. I think that was like just a one-off.
Yeah.
I mean, the prices he paid for some of this stuff. $40.
But that would, don't forget. I mean, that would have been 20.
Yeah, true.
Years ago,
Oh yeah, you're
maybe,
right.
You know, so probably a lot more, I guess.
Yeah.
You know, but if you have a passion for collecting things, sometimes you don't see the price, do you?
Well, some call it a passion, some call it a sickness too. So sometimes you just get.
Yeah. Well, this is the small scale. I mean, the HO collection is huge.
Yeah.
Hundreds.
Have you guys had any bites on the HO stuff?
It's all gone. Yeah. No, we sold that. We sold.
No, I'm sorry. The other stuff you had in there.
Because
wasn't there a little HO stuff in there still?
There is HO stuff.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
No, it's all track.
Yeah, it's all track and stuff like that.
New old stock and.
Yeah.
So there's like bundled track that hasn't been used and so on.
Yeah.
That's a nice Jag there.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
I think it's. No, it actually says Monte Carlo.
Oh, it's Monte Carlo.
Yeah. There was a Jag in here.
Triumph.
Yeah.
TR4. Should be
The Cobra's beautiful.
oh, XK120. Should know the radiator.
Oh, yep. I'll get my. I mean, I briefly went through all these earlier when just to go through.
So what would be more popular, the American car over here per slots or anything really?
You know, it just depends on person. I don't do a lot in slot cars, but I know slot cars can be valuable. And when I saw these, a lot of these are new old stock. That was a big turn on for me. Like, Because I mean, NASCAR really hit its boom popularity in like the 90s and early 2000s there, and then you know, over time you have a lot of those drivers leave, and then you know, you got some turnover there.
Well, we've got.
That was super cool.
We have the F1, but a lot of people are getting fed up with the F1.
Really?
All the technical changes they have with it all, and the limits and so on.
They do an F1 race here in St. Pete.
Yeah, that's right.
In the streets, which is pretty cool.
Howdy. How's your day?
Oh, it's better.
You come to make a counter offer on the car? My man's into slot cars.
Oh. All right, so this one I actually didn't really go through. I know.
Yeah, oh, it's an E-type there. Look, recognise that. Jaguar E-type. Very nice. What are you after? The fans? Oh. Which one do you want? All of them.
What do you want there?
Wow. So the big one there, the big one there, what do you reckon? 20 bucks? Is that too much?
How many you know? 3?
Well, there's a remote control heater there as well. Look, that tall one there, that's a remote control.
The heater.
Yeah, so I think it's a heater as well, and it's got a remote control. You don't even have to get up into your chair.
Somebody looking at your cars.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit more than just looking at them.
We were maybe going to Ohio. So there's a guy in Ohio, but this gentleman is interested. He's more local, so it's less hassle.
So this one, I'm not sure what's in the bottom of this one here. Here's a Jaguar.
Yeah. Jaguar. So you want all the fans, do you?
Let's see.
Come on then, let's have a look.
So I got a question for you. The stack of books there, what do you have for the stack of books?
You're interested in those?
Yeah.
You looked at them, have you?
Yeah, I just went through them real fast. Looked at them. I like old manuals and old books when I could find them.
20 bucks.
Any are there?
Oh, look, those heads. There you go. There's the heads there.
Gotcha.
Pair of three. It's off a 302. So he switched them out for like he had some trick heads on there.
Yeah.
So they were the standard heads on there. There's some gaskets, some new gaskets for him there if you want. $5. Just want to get rid of them.
It's tempting.
It's just heavy.
I know. I'm like, I want to really.
Broke my back lifting them.
I know. I was gonna say. What do you do? 10 on the lot of books?
15.
Oh, I do 15.
Yeah.
I mean, in the middle. That's cool.
We done all right out there.
Yeah.
Stuff.
Do you have any other ones?
I chucked so many away. I know you don't want to hear that, but I think that's probably if that's that. Actually, there are some in the house. There are some in the house still to come out.
Okay.
Do you want me to go?
Yeah.
There's a whole stack of stuff in there.
Sure. You want to bring them out?
Okay.
I'll wait for.
Alright, so we've done 20 on that box, 15 on that.
Yeah. I'll just put them on the back of the car.
Yeah, put any of your stuff that you wanted there on the back of the car.
Okay.
I'm just going to go and have a look.
Yeah, love old books. Should do okay. This one's a little jacked up. Yeah. No, I don't blame you. Oh, these are cool.
So these ones hadn't come out yet because they're in another area we haven't worked on yet.
Gotcha.
These ones are quite special ones because they're the proper manuals and so on. You can see. I mean, that's a UK one. That was
okay.
£20 in the day.
What are you asking for these ones?
God, look at the exchange rate then. Look, £20, $35 because the exchange is really bad on UK at the moment.
Yeah. So I found one of them. One sold for $15.
Oh, okay.
So I would give you $15 a lot if you want to do that.
5 each,
piece, yeah. Because
the trouble is, you have to detach your emotion.
I got it. Hey, listen, that's up to you. I mean,
no, I got that.
it's for me just
It's business.
yeah.
No.
It's so I mean, for if anything over that, I just won't be able to really.
Yeah. Okay, let's go 15 on
15. Okay.
on that, five a piece.
So we got 15 and 15. It's 30. Okay. 20. So we're at 50.
Yeah.
And then 2,000.
Yeah. So 2050. Yeah. You better bring your purse over here.
Compressor.
Yes.
That's not going yet, is it?
I reckon we just ought to hang on to that for a bit.
Yeah, I'll just take
But it's probably going to be another.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And $50 for the
1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 2,000.
change.
You go and get change off of Nana.
One double count. This is 2,100.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. I watched you count it.
Okay. I threw the other 100 in there. So. What the hell just happened? I just spent $2,000 at a random yard sale on a Wednesday. So, backstory is, I literally was driving home from the store. I saw a sign for a yard sale, and I thought it was one that's left over because most of the time people don't take down the yard sales. So I didn't think anything of it. But these yard sale signs weren't there the other day. So when I was driving by, I was like, you know what? I'll just drive down the road, check it out. I saw some other cars going down there, and I'm so glad I did. They had some old models from the 1970s in box. We made a deal for $30 for this entire box and this giant model. And then from there, I started talking with them, just started, BSing back and forth. And her husband came out and he said, oh yeah, I have a whole thing of stock cars here, brand new in the box. So there was 184 stock cars. About 160 of them were brand new in the box. And they range anywhere from, the 90s to, there are some vintage ones, I think from the 60s and 70s in there. And he goes, I had them online. I actually have a guy up in Ohio who's offered me $2,100 for them. But the thing is, we don't want to ship them. He showed me the emails. He showed me the photos of it. I started pricing some out. There's a Ninja Turtle one there. It was going for like $75. A lot of the comps for these are actually from England. So the couple was from England. And a lot of the comps I've seen online from England for $40, $50, some of these. I mean, there were some in there that were $10, $15, but my cost per item here is $10.80. So I'm actually going to keep track when I do list them all, see what they all list for, and then we'll have a good understanding of that. But I think I can do really well in these. I think there's a lot of room to make some money, and especially being brand new in the box and being only, there isn't a lot of these listed. So I think we're going to do okay. So this may take a little time to get these listed and get these sold, but I'm super excited about this. Guys, if you like this type of content, please make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite pickup and this entire lot was, what your favorite stock car or model I picked up. Did I get a good deal, or do you think I overspent? Let me know. And please make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Check out this other video right here if you guys like yard sale pickups. Until next time,